Hello and welcome to my new project. After installing my WRAITH body on my S610, I had a spare WRAITH chassis laying around in the shop, so I decided to convert it to a mix of Bomber and WRAITH. This is a steel roll cage for the AXIAL Bomber from Team WRAITH for about €65 shipped. It was a perfect fit for the WRAITH skid plate too. All 4 bolts on each side went in perfectly. The shocks are from BombWraith, but the shocks caps are tuning parts for Traxxas 1/10 scale shocks, because I didn't like the piggyback design of the BombWraith shocks they came with. Because those shocks are too short for the Bomber in the rear, I had to use some sort of extension for the upper mounting positions. Luckily I had those aluminum parts from WRAITH from the old WRAITH. Now I have a reasonable extension and lots of different setup points available. ESC wise I'm running the Hobbywing Xirun XR8 SCT, which is capable of running from 2 to 4S, and due to a software update it now can also handle some crawler modes like hill brake and just forward reverse settings. I'm running the Rock 412 3100 kV brushless sensored motor, typically with a 3-cell LiPo. Got an aluminum transmission housing with hardened steel gears. The battery mount I built can handle my 2200 mA packs well. It is built from aluminum. These are incision links for the axial WRAITH and GPM steel drive shafts. All axle housings are from BombWraith and made from aluminum. For steering I'm running the Savex SA1283 SG metal geared digital servo. It's cranking out at 30 kg of torque, enough to turn those big tires. Speaking of tires, those are the Proline Hyrex 2.2 tires mounted on some steel wheels. I used the standard Proline foams but cut a star pattern in them to make them more soft on the outside for more grip on the rocks. So the rig is ready for running. The first step is done, more will follow. I'd like to build some body panels, interior and light in the future. But now let's see how it drives.